friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I came with a short-term recommendation which is purely based on news. I expect this share to appreciate 15 to 20% in a short span of time. I am once more telling that this is a short-term recommendation based on a news. The name of the company is GNFC, Gujarat Narmada Value Fertilizer Company. This company is formed in 1976 as an ammonia fertilizer company. It started with a single product and now they have so many products in their kitty. The Gujarat Narmada Fertilizer Company is a purely government-based company. The promoters of the company is Gujarat government and they are holding 42% stake in the company. The 60% of the revenue is coming from chemicals. Above all of other chemicals, they are now manufacturing methanol, nitric acid and formic acid which are used in textiles and pharmaceutical company. And they are the only manufacturer of TDI, means the full form of that is toluene diisonate, which is used in furniture and automobile seating. In India, they are the only manufacturer of the TDI. Recently, they tie up with an American-based company named Diopint in order to enhance the capacity of the TDI. Let us look at the fundamentals of the company. EPS of the company is 28 rupees and they have a PE of 7 rupees against the industrial PE of 9.5. If we buy a share purely based on news, we have to confirm the fundamentals also. So we don't go to buy any share without having any fundamentals. Only buy shares which have fundamentals. If any news comes, we have to buy the shares according to fundamentals only. That's why I am looking at the fundamentals. The dividend yield is 50%. They are giving 50% dividend. That means a good company. A good dividend paying company is a good company. Their book value is 340 rupees and the value of the share is much below that. The value of the share is 197 rupees on Friday closing basis. And affairs are holding 9% in the company. So not bad. They are holding near about 9% company share in the company affairs. Okay. So let us come to the news. On which basis I am recommending this share? I already said that this is a single and the only manufacturer of TDI in India. Now the TDI prices was gone up from 120 rupees to 260 rupees now. That is, the TDI price has increased. Second, the main thing is that there is a main competitor of GNFC is a Chinese-based company. We are importing some of the products from that company also. That company recently said that, I think on Friday or Thursday, they said that they are going to shut down the plant of TDI for 1 year because of some internal problems. It will surely benefit this company. On basis of these two things, the rise of the TDI is increasing. Second, the main competitor is going to close their plant. This is the two main reasons I recommend this company, and the fundamentals of the company is also very good. When compared to the result, last quarter result is a little bit bad. When compared to last financial year, it is little bit bad. That's why the share price comes down. But when this all thing factored into the share, next quarter we can expect a good result. So this is a purely based on news, and I expect 5 to 10% appreciation in the stock within a short span of time. You can sell the share after getting 10 or 15%. This is my personal view about that company. You can consult your own advisor before buying into the shares. Thank you. And if you like my recommendation, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.